guests, industry leaders, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning. It's an absolute honor and a privilege to address this distinguished gathering at the ET Infra Rail Show 2026. The railways, which under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Minister Shri Ashwini Vaishnavji, has undergone a historical transformation, and it continues to be a driver of India's growth, much like an actual railway engine. West Bengal, in particular, has had a very proud and enduring association with India's railway journey. For generations, the state has contributed skilled talent, engineering excellence, and manufacturing capability to the nation's railway network. As India expands its infrastructure ambitions, and also on a personal note, as somebody born and brought up in the state, I hope and pray that Eastern India and Bengal continues to play an important role in powering these ambitions. The railways occupies a very unique place in India's story. Very few institutions have contributed as profoundly to the nation building as the railways have and as the railways can continue to. They connect our people, our markets, our industries, and most importantly, our aspirations. Every rail line laid, every station modernized, and every train introduced creates opportunities far beyond transportation. It creates economic growth, social mobility, and national integration. Today, India stands at a remarkable moment in its railway journey, led right from the top by the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and the Honorable Minister, Shri Ashwini Vaishnavji. Over the last decade, we've witnessed unprecedented investment in rail infrastructure, in safety, in technology, and in manufacturing. Dedicated freight corridors are completely reshaping logistics. Metro systems are transforming urban mobility as we know it. Modern signaling and safety systems are making our networks smarter, safer, and far more efficient. And across the country, railway stations are being completely reimagined as gateways to a new India, as gateways to a modern India. However, what makes this transformation truly significant is that it's not merely an industrial or an infrastructure story. It's a continuously evolving journey towards our collective goal of a Viksit Bharat. India is emerging rapidly as a preferred manufacturing destination for the globe, and the Honorable PM's vision of Make in India and Make for the World has created capabilities that were once considered aspirational. Today, Indian companies are not only manufacturing world-class products, but are increasingly designing, engineering, and innovating within the country. A little bit over a decade ago, the conversations revolved around importing technology. Today, the conversations revolve around creating it. This is the tectonic shift. From manufacture in India, the opportunity now exists to design, engineer, manufacture, and even export from India. As somebody representing the manufacturing side of this ecosystem, I can say with confidence, in the honorable presence of all the dignitaries here, that Indian industry is ready for this next phase of growth. We possess the talent, we possess the entrepreneurial spirit, and we possess the engineering capability required to support India's ambitious railway vision. At Titagarh, we started as a small wagon manufacturer back in 1997. And it's only through policy enablers like the Make in India policy and the continued trust and support of the government that we were able to grow and diversify into other fields like metros and Vande Bharat. Today, it's with great pride, humility, and gratitude that I share that completely made in India stainless steel and aluminium metro coaches are today being designed, manufactured, and delivered out of our facility in Uttarpada in West Bengal. With the way forward for India laid down so clearly by the Honorable PM, we at Titagarh continue to remain aligned with this vision and continue to enhance our facilities constantly. Looking ahead, I believe it's not just scale that will play the defining role, but scale in combination with intelligence, sustainability, and technology. Artificial intelligence, predictive maintenance, digital twins, advanced material science, and last but not the least, the nation's high-speed rail aspirations will completely transform how rail systems are built, how they are operated, how they are maintained, and how they are used. As we eye becoming a high-speed rail network, and as is the vision laid out by the Honorable PM, I am confident that we will see a completely made in India bullet train in the very near future, And we at Titagarh continue to enhance our facilities and continue to enhance our capabilities to someday hopefully make this dream a reality. As we firmly move towards a Viksit Bharat 2047, I believe that the railway sector will remain one of the strongest engines of India's growth story. It will create jobs, it will strengthen competitiveness, promote sustainability, and connect millions of people to new opportunities. To conclude, I'd like to say just one thing. Let us continue to build a railway ecosystem that carries a very clear message, a message of a new India. Made in India, designed in India, made for the world. Thank you very much for the opportunity to share these thoughts, and I wish the ET Rail Show every success. Thank you and jai Hind.